Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
To me, I share area man. It's here for be also to me. Abasu be also to me. Come. But me quite na many me ko Uncle Ben when I am found conversation and find share. I say hello Uncle Ben.
Hello.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning. I say.
Yami adum pacha na monsoe.
Adum.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. That was da twampo nyame nso ase say no pe wa ma ye nkwa na kwa ho san yetimi asori a ye ne abusuafo e ba bedi nkita ho. I hope some nyina mo ho ye.
Uncle Ben chira po yankopan da oroma so far as yete nkwa na moje die fo san nkwa de na singoto de ye ma de obo nso ogbo wi no na ye de ma no yenso ho ye pa. Papa. Yes, Baba. I'm getting for see any BWF solicitors and I trim come and they are pay a banner umbre in some one. I say, one crata, some immigration law. Now, can I say, BBM Koyim far more, not just say, what to me do any actually a BWF solicitors and I'm with me aboard. None pay no, once you wait to me agent on us. And I'm in 10 time now, I'm in for office line of fun to you. Maybe on the pay, we will be our take car more or baby what bus mu besi yes OPD for mu office no man na me flow mu na pay me to me hwe na me no mo twetwe nkoma abusia J office line is here na flow mu ehu hia pa 020 8493 7340 020 8493 7340 na from and pay na book appointment na only omo nhihye enyama to na wonso ntumi hwe na yemboa na won kata sam no engine no mo 7 sisters na bibia so tumi aye kama medi edna na to jegu OPD the second year live for Facebook and so na BWF Sarosites website yes to me live for over to me akọ so no akọ medi bi angben ana pay yen hwe na update bi ho mo de men na ana pay na say update bi ho aja na wo da asome na yen hwe ne yen sha say mfi so bi so asa niwa na odi yen be topic of the day so wa da ma ni na yo de sam read road ni ya wo dia me je mu de ma
yo OPD say anopay update bebre wo ho. The first thing me pese obi at say home office say no mo kan no omo de nhihye eba say ye share afenase no leba ma ye hu say omeye ye nhihye bi eno ne bebo ye ho ban efa English ho efa so bi pese otena ha efa students omo eko graduate route no pese omo te so enyaba na 16th on the 14th almost the new immigration rules by a friend House of Commons commands and HC 1333 I know about I started to do one idea fire home the fire home will be English until from the 8th of January, which is the next 2 months now. Not just Obaha as a skilled worker. Obi Obaha as a skilled worker. We are care, we are honey, we are carpenter, we are mason, we are plumber, we are fitter, refrigeration. You increase English language, from B1 and they are called B2. I afraid be a friend of Common European Framework for the reference for languages. A standard requirement. Yeah. But we know are speaking and listening, and you're reading and writing. And English, a cost rockakra. To person wo ye wo care, person wo ye wo carpenter, mason, and I say wo person wo ba as a skilled worker. Now now you student, now person wo ye skilled worker. Now say wo say unya B1. So when him say unya B2 by the 8th of January. So when him say to me near B2 na and yeah, I was so many years in term na bibiako. The next one, a graduate route. More university wahano from bachelor's to master's. Yate more 2 years na ya de mamono from the 1st of January 2027. And tell me the kwan wom kakra. But make us a kwan wom I don't say affect you. What it means is that we start university this year, we 2 years, we 18 months. PhD for the almost 3 years, almost the normal form sanka. But the almost sanka no, a bachelor's, 2 years and so about 18. And I afraid be a friend of a high potential individual, HPI. Now, my can was 6 months. Because say area and bit me aye. Omo expansion no ma team kakra. But omo the cap abaso a year no mo yen only 8,000. And also ya there aba. BB the immigration skills charge. I know you say obi won adwuma na ofa no ma share code. Sorry, ma sponsorship. COSR. Fee aye no and also omo atum omo atumo no the air say a tax on businesses. Nti say obi wo ho na enya de or ye sika bebre no person fawa. Ya tu we mu no e bi e be ha adwene. A cost for business. Nti a de ha adwene. Crucially, when they measure that your home video because a bit technical. Mo betia for months ni because mo hwe ye what the document be called, what can send be you bet me a use be your friend of general grounds for refusal. I make a part 9. Part 9 no make a one sema and then no assessor part 9 no replacing with part suitability. All it does is a simplify terminology no, but the requirements need the same. Paragraph 39E, and also maka ho asem, and then dealing with exception no. Move no from paragraph 39 to immigration rules. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 are 39E. From 39 applications overstay. 45 account validity. 39E no say omo de akoka exceptions no omo de akoka part suitability. Inti part 9 na general grounds no. And I make us say very technical. Inti omo yi the other one so almost sign bibi a friend of family, private and adult dependent relatives. Sisi almost friend of common suitability provisions. I know so no omo ade sa suitability na koka ho. Be a seasonal workers omo adjusting a kakra. Maybe a stateless person. I didn't be brain and fire home, but the fire home titru and the amaka. The other one I'm a person be answer Shannon so say Home Office has started echo documents mo ba ha mo de ekun eyire eba ya no. Almost started como documents. Enti wo ba ha se ekun, wo ba ha se eyire. O marriage certificate na wo de application. Home Office echo back ahwe say eye papa Mr. Unim say wo di bibi born na ba ya I was say we careful. Unim say wo ba ha na wo ma obi na ya marriage certificate. I was say nipa no or trusted person. The entia make we no say this week in kwa ye hu nkrofo be 4 omo ma birth certificate you see fake. Omo marriage certificate you see fake. Na omo ka say you fake no omo ka be 3 months ago. Omo no nim so okay me ba na me de no ba na see fake nti amana mba nti ofo say no ano no enne me no kan sa nkrofo na omo mma ana omo kumo ana omo yire mo de fake marriage certificate ne birth certificate application omo amu na ye start atwere omo say because say wabusuani a wo de no ba no o use fake material no wo visa no so ye ba betwam enti ya maw 2 weeks say kire ye indie nti a eni si twa wo visa no a started ba Mesha aye hu video ma ye ba akodada a ye dia won mo na em say sometimes na ya so edin kakra o ka se ma ye nko ho a eho ne ekọ na nse ya say crash be of me obi age ni 63000 nipa ba akọ 63 omo ye group of 4 63000 nipa ba akọ age wakoye fake COS ama omo nyina a na me no ka say wa hwe kra na ekoye police asem ade ankrofo bebre nim ne say kroma we use fake anything that you fake be a criminal offense. So with your immigration application, say you fake passport, say you fake birth certificate, say you fake marriage certificate, ni na a criminal offense because what do you obtain benefit? Anna edi 1 year, edi 2 years so, edi 3 years so, 4 years so. Me humbia edi 20 years o ma ko back na wako serve prison sentence ama yaje indefinite leave a free nsem. Enti OPD update no ana enemede amamo no hopefully no ye betimi ebubu ani so be the questions ba ewo ho a.
Okay. I think say yeah. Said me didn't can beginning no me didn't the studio lines and the tour but we update Uncle Ben Eddie man na yeah then so yeah film na Uncle Ben na wo kan marriage certificate no fake no no kwan ben na nyimpa no ebia say nyimpa person who say ade ni fake in terms of ebia no say call back to register general maybe as a Ghana na we ya na ma kwhwe say won kra temu ho ampa ana say one kra temu ho kra na metumi akasa still na fake ana Again, susu no mudi bechi so mu say bia no fake wadawma.
Intelligence, I want to say Ghana Birth and Death Registry. Omo documents omo issue ni nyina. Omo the samples akoma British High Commission. Banks what Ghana nyina. Omo bank statements sana format nete. Account number send start ebia 30 30 40 41 42 omo de nyina ma British High Commission ana omo direct contact by email and telephone enti say ne uko issue registrar's marriage certificate every Accra na wo de ba na home office for ebia omo pentem ti omo anhwe na 2 years down the line now of a marriage certificate now they compare the other one now who se bibi and 2 year of francophone specimen signatures of all the registries enti anaglavo Johnny ahia tonyo Kofi Antobam Mercy Amanfo omo nyina omo ye adwuma wo ho Minister of Foreign Affairs impenifo esen sign documents no omo nyina specimen signature ego British High Commission enti those days no ope fake name a okọ tipto e wo circle na omo ye biama se wo ye obi a wo de bibia o si o se ni ntina mbehu majama wa ye de ope a obeye de ope na wa buru agum ope bibia
wa waka say de obe de bibia ope bia ma mta ono so be de ope bia ya
OPD clients ba wani na okasa okay koye we ba say lawyer say ni ntina me ba wani nti mpacho say wa betimi a wa ye ma me aya me ma fa opportunity me tu omofo so ohene wo yesa obi abehu say one why desperate two be share obi oye kohwini commode no Friday ba opese o man yire chop money opese o man girlfriend chop money when who say why you desperate but the betwa no age because sabi onye lawyer enti who report to no one report to no onye lawyer na mmom wo repercussions no e abeft me affect you for 10 years you bet me twa visa the problem is say yete ha no yakuni ma bebre anya ni nyina na ya deba because sometimes no dey be good public say ya e money pa na opese obu nkrofo no nya intelligence
more
inti niema ni bi wa yem famba but you know what is going on ade a ehia ne say why ready say obey birth certificate ama oba ana say obey passport ana obey marriage certificate first of all nipa na oye no ye sure say oyubi a oye no krefo two baby okoye wo no e wo say wo hu baby okoye wo three also bro official receipt Ghana document bi e de be ma obi a no omo the receipt no e de tare o document no na waye na wo de call foreign affairs so when ye sure na omo abo omo letter na to so na che say wonim say bi a wo use bi a no aban nsa e hye ase enti we ana me de beja
okay we na ye de ebeja na obi question bi was sending me wo or they are sending me personal WhatsApp no obi service also OPD obi to me ebisa nkben amame also OPD me problem ni ye me call register me for birth certificate no edinya ananka e was say enye me papa din no register birth certificate for no say edin me ntumi mfa so na ni nyina kwaye asani nyina kwaye local dodo ntumi amfa so but wo come marriage certificate no mu dia edin edam papa so no difference wo mu ho eno no ebetimi affect say me document no fake ana wadawroma angben o say mami mbo ne din
okay and me by crash be frame o frame no asema obisa o ka kire me ne say ne yire ekofa omoba birth certificate oye ba ko ye pink ba ko ye digital omo frame obi wo hospital ho no ye pink ma ana digital no so mo ye wo registry The second issue no you say omo yeah no omo the two ni nyina akọ and as an American no British High Commission your home office omo was specimen signature to omo hwe no omo ka say no omo sequence na your serial number no wrong because an American no omo renew almost the serial numbers na omo update you enti na was say okọ na okọje proof ade ba say omo no issue lawyer oye no wan kọje sa proof no ana omo no koye DNA which is good but issue no nyɛ sɛ akwala no nyɛ wo ba issue ni sɛ certificate na wo de aba no yɛ fake enti wo de call no omo say refusal akwala no ana yɛ ka sɛ akwala no yɛ ban no for 10 years anope ya ɔse ne yere afra ne sɛ wanya email sɛ akwala na ɔyɛ application man no use fake births nti ɔno no visa no yama no 10 working days ɛyɛ 2 weeks so ɔmfa reason mra de nti ɔno visa ma yɛntwam OPD serial number now problems are no the first thing anka was a lawyer ne yɛ ne sɛ lawyer no twerɛ letter ti yɛnsen ke office wa kra ya besoma ya driver no na ɔkɔ birth and death registry na akɔhwehwɛ pani ɔwɔ hɔ no na ɔde letter number in the normal circumstances ɔbɛfrɛ me na me ne pani na kasa pani problem a yɛwɔ ni ade wei yɛhu sɛ mo hɔ ne issue wɔ pakyɛ wobɛtumi abɔ letter ato so sɛ mo na mo issue yi na mmom error ɛwɔ ade no ho ɔbɛnwenwe ne nneɛma na wɔsɛ wo ne no kasa kakra na oma nsuo kɔ sapo na kyerɛ sɛ watimi atena ase na wabɔ letter no wɔ mo headed paper ɛde ne number ahyɛ so enti wanyanya saa de no wobɛtumi a challenge home office for sɛ deɛ mo ka sɛ yɛ fake na nyɛ fake ko nipa no issue ade no watwerɛ letter sɛ there be ɛyɛ error ba ɛnyɛ fake ma me ma example bank bi wɔ Ghana yɛfrɛ no GT Bank
yeah.
Almost some accounts number. The entire minim they also almost account number say, yeah, firm no organ I hold you save. Cratchy be okoye application so about on a visit, genuine visit.
Okay.
I'm printing a bank account, GT Bank, a free internet and so. And now the call. And a microphone car so there, you won't pay internet, you know, or pay hard one into uncle banking. Or call bank or kwaji, you know, because date or printing, you know, any date or kwaji, you know, I hear 2 different dates, you know, almost some bank account serial, no, almost the same. Come here, much wrong me. Say next month, the best is account to account number near 1 2 3 4. Say I pay 2298. 80 million. Or your application. Almost say a year then account back. A year 2 different account numbers. It's fake. Yes, you who said a fake because account now printed by serial number is almost and yes, I net yet. One more problem no. And so any fake, a genuine just say bank and us. And to where no the solution is in bank and never letter. Say where a genuine, where see a genuine. Then between this date and this date, yes, your systems until you generating new bank account. No solve a problem. Also, your application be on Abano for 10 years. And to OPD, never be a bit of explanation. Sometimes, you know, I have clients in the where Obi wa no pushy, no or yen and yaman tem because of a visa. Visa de unya visa a kama. You name it, those is a yisano. So be fee if you know about a bruchera. Brass band. Ebe di n'akyi wɔ airport. Those days I need Gina Kotoka International Airport. Na Kotoka is in the to say football park. Now afosoro now. Na brass band aba because abrochire de ɛyɛ. Even now kra unya visa de ba abrochire ɛyɛ. And it still your work connection man. But mama yenya botre ne yenhwem. Yenhwɛ document a yɛde kɔ. Yenhwɛ bank statement. Wonim say sika wɔ account mu yɛ 40 cedis. And so akɔ you 4 million bank account. Wonim say yɛ bet no, Omanchu na, Omanchu wachina. Omanchu wachina, Omanchu next year. Omanchu next year, Omanchu next 4 years. Wabenya British passport near Tro, near Gini in a fruit. And to me, the Debia Meccan say, Upese utu kwaya. And that topic I bet trading with visitors visa. You bet cover some topics. 1, prepare some person utu kwaya. 2, unim say document we na mehia A B C D start peguho. Unim say ye behia marriage certificate. Mame mfre registry no munya mame. Unim say what the marriage certificate no ba e was a buying bulletin to so. E was a registry no so bulletin to so. Mesramo. Mama nkoye o say ni ntina me ba ha no imija bibia ma o because enyo bia no di ne ho ni. Obi wo ho a na weekend ibe de bia meka opechop money. Obi pe ska ade afa time. Nti wo no a waye obi a waye desperate no. Obi twa wa 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. O friend na unhu ni biom because onye lawyer. Obi a o share o McDonald's ne restaurant bia se fa o passport bra no nya application ma wo. Misraw. Uni office. Obi nso a uni office de sebe. Obetimi aye obukata.
Okay.
Why not careful? Now I call you email, Yahoo email, ana Gmail. Ka lawyer de ka wa wo email ebia @bwfsolicitors.com. Ekwia @bwfsolicitors. Na obi wo use yahoo.com, yahoo.co.uk. Ni nyina no ye sign say nipa we o chop money na or free wo.
Okay, or badge. Okay, so we are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. And common idea, said here, can I say, I dare say, I grow here then. Na ade san akonto for PWF solicitors ni num gusushum kwanka ben ana obi be nyama sache we pu e update o update no kwa na mun sam ne de no ang ben na mama kaya sam sisi ana madam for no say ne mam ye fe na edo pale si ono si okwa abrochi no oba no na ne kromu hinu otu galam say ne kromu hinu fi site ebe share no airport ntine de ang ben kan ne krepa that time ne de he wo fi abrochi ba mdo nyame mutum wo fufu nya be share airport o ni nyina aka ho no so okay agaban yan hwe na yan fa the topic no fa nto so ya na akwa mu dey die yan fa topic ne topic of the day nto so na ni nya so enso so na ma men ka tie for say update no so no ebia wo bibi pese wo bisa ho ano so no yensi okwan obetumi afre na wa bam no wa bisa question afa ho na no so yede no so aso so 02082260484 02082260484 and our WhatsApp line 077719509890 077719509889 and your WhatsApp line to flower for you to my fan no aso atwetwem commodity assets me kama angben yemfa topic of the day to us na bibia so ntimi nya kama
your OPD topic no visit visa, how to avoid refusal for lack of genuine intention to visit. Brofo the year can say yawaha yawo adofo bebre enuanom anamfo mpese besrae na dodo na omoya application no yemfa ma omo America say last year nkrofo 61,000 and they apply for visa some kwa America 25,000 pen on mama into her percentage na about 30-something%. Similar to UK. And visitors visa idea obi wo ho a ono no mpe hatna or one business kakra. But come as obetimi aka say ono nso aba London da. Enti your person. Enti then ebema no etimi aba na wo so okoje visa. Dodo na amode kono. Niema yedi refuse omo niema avoidable mistakes. Enti sa avoidable mistakes no. I was we are sure say what they will visa ekotuma. First of all, no, preparation number 1. Ati se bibia wo wiase mo ha. Wontimi nya bibi wa bra wo prepare. Ati se wo ye adwuma ana awama obi task ana awama na adwuma. Trimopo a isi na nisu no mission ana objective ana object. Sa o object no and our objective and our mission, they say we be visitors visa. But what to me, yes, I don't know. Wabra won't prepare. We are athlete, who go to America, we are training. We are footballer, we are training. Who go school now, person pass exams, who see idea. So answer now, who koje or visitors visa, I was say who see idea, now we prepare. The first thing I was say when say, first of all, almost shame, SM, almost sonim, I sure say, more bano, we are nipa bia, wo ba, wo besan akọ. Wo besan akọ no, I don't know dream no di susu. Obey then no di ehu, say we are genuine and now we are credible. The first thing a person will say, one, no, what you find that? What you find no, who could di how many days and how months or what abuse 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝘆 and to be say, almost law no, almost free be almost say previous immigration history. Enti ebia sa previous immigration history no na for UK and for Krufo Froso. Nipa na bahada oba obedi how many days ewa. So on my hada or will be a friend of financial background and as a financial circumstances. Or busia or social and economic ties. Maybe explaining in our mom. Na sitinam ti sen wa we ataso anoya wagadre oyobi a sebe owoni bibidi ana oyobi onu amekuru na wo no struggle adwuma be na oye owo yere owo ba owo nuanom owo namfo koyekasi social ties family ties economic ties ni nyina eye ade a ekire se nipa yi se no tie no to the country ni is stronger oba obesanage. The free be a friend of personal circumstances. It will be a visa application, wa worry, but the story no on funny family no can. Wa worry, da ben na worry. We yire adwuma ben na oye. Ehi no ye adwuma. Wa mu adwuma ben na oye. Wa oye to be di. We a tabletop shop and our store. Or bank account. We had na unya usika. We had the money to yauka. Wokɔ sorry. We are sorry penny. Wokɔ school. Da be na obewie. Adwuma mu ye supervisor. Why adwuma no for how long? Yama holiday. Holiday da be na start. Da be na be end. Afei nso yɛhwɛ biribi a friend of balance of probability. Sa balance of probability no. Wo no ade a wo ba bɛyɛ no. On the balance of probability. Because the balance of probability, it is auto dice. It is a lotto, I is a chacha. Because on no, the audio good and no offer. On the balance of probability, no, over UK, I on the balance of probability. Then it says over UK, Obeko,
yeah.
Abobo biso. Mr. Mo, adia yen huni se obi wa. Okoye visitors visa, no afa ne car paper, no afa na asase paper, no afa ne full paper, no afa bank statement. Bank statement no, ebi wo hɔ a ne business any ono ani sika ne nyina bom waya. There's no business account, there's no private account. Mr. So wo pese wo ye visitors visa ma wo ho time. One, obi a wo ye adwuma bia e wo se wutua wo ho ka. Benkasi ye pay slip, be wo se wutua ho ka. Enti o bank account e wo GT Bank, ana GCB, ana Eco Bank, ana any of the banks. O bank account no, o two. Bako e pure business. E bi adwuma ni din da so de, udin 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝘆 ana eda so. But two no, 𝗃𝗶𝗆𝗆 no, bako ye purely for business. And about your personal bank account. And to scan about business in you be trial. Say even 1,000 cedis a month transfer about accounting. So we the business in this Canibia. It's okay, there's nothing wrong with it. But trial that is one. Two. So what were yere and our wompana and our bar. Be mindful, say I was so with the proof actually. Owo yere ana ekun a eye easy with the marriage certificate. Na mmom enye obi a waware ana wo marriage certificate. Enti se wo waware fi aware a wo ye wo marriage certificate every assembly a obetimi di aka ho. Se wo wo ba wo de birth certificate. Maybe okọ school waje letter. Wo ma school na twerɛ wo letter na so say wo na wo de ne be school. Now, idea we and say who prove wo personal circumstances, family ties to Ghana. Nyamia ya wadom, o asase, but wuntimi nsi dan. Mesrel, enye indenture an America. Meka land registry certificate and a land title certificate. Efi aban mu. Fakam. But crucially, then na wo ba beye. We ya de ankrofo faili pa. Tete no, time na go school no. Si ye ba holiday wo ha, ade a ye ba beye no, ye twero. Ye si ye be ko Piccadilly Circus, ye be ko Oxford Circus, ye be ko Abia London Eye. Those days not London Eye ni ho. To the brain no be see London Eye. But oh ba ebi a wo call Madame Tussauds ba then I hear Madame Tussauds your waxwork and our statues be or for prominent people stars ne niema ebi obekọ London Museum Ghana for yempe museum then na wo yo
no kwa Ghana for yempe museum ko yempe kokra
ebi a football match bi wo a wo pesa obehwe ehe na wo hwe match ne ya he most often than not a family visit oba ekwia ata awo foforo oba beto ne badin data oba beto ne badin no fie edin to nti onye card na niema but ekwia ata awo enti ne ba birth certificate ekwia ata oye odan oye wunua oye wo cousin wo betimi approve with birth certificate wontimi improve a ekwia ata mudi nkomo no mudi wo WhatsApp so print it se mudi nkomo. When you create our old photo, black and white photo, titino, I just say create or a close person, or no photo bebre. And I say be cry, wouldn't any photo, no mum of manu sika. Says kind of money on share commitment on no walk at the mouth. Woman may ba, abrewa, akokra, sebe, or nyeduma. Because Ghana no 70% of population are more informal economy, and I say it's even more. Because we are farmer, or ton blade, or ton ice water, or ton chali water, will be a kiosk, will be a store, or a shop, or wire a pampem store, or the chinya, only pay slip. Very unlikely so bank statement. And today I had a bank statement, a Momo statement. You know, yes, and this car qua, yes, and you could go momo so. Into your wallet, sky bemunina. But a day I was so finally, no, or trip pen, any paper. So, or computer and so on. No, I train keyboard. Now I bought letter. So, wouldn't even throw letter now. Was sorry paying more. So, who Pentecostal, elders no ya dear, brofo no ya come. One call Pentecostal, or the call post office, and Crawford to tenure from stenographers, see I from commissioners of oath. Brofo ne mu edu kakra, into be catch and some rebro for Nasicacra. Not sure no idea of a sort. What say me a createnewa? Me ba ewa bruchly. Me ba wa bruchly, your friend OPD. OPD, or Edmore Rainbow Radio. Pay or Ginny. OPD in a year hour. Betu din na OPD no ye me babakan me first na nani OPD ne na yire wo da ne ntino me me ye maame no me kwa akoboa mo yen ye culture no sakola oba wo for the first 2 months na bi onye adwuma onye hwe so ya order na me kodware akora no me hwe no me yesi na mmom asori OPD na asori nso ye harvest okọ Pentecost me se Ghana me ye Pentecost for Manko penny. Nti me kwa sa harvest no besa akobi. OPD. Why we nyina OPD ne bank statements account. OPD se wo sika no de bia wo minus kai hu se wuntimi ma wo ma member because ma me na wo ma na ba na de bia wo sika ye minus na mmom wakɔbɔ bosia de akɔtuma kyerɛ ba bia wakɔbɔ bosia no
Okɔbɔ yeah.
Sika kɛseɛ bia wo de aba dodo na ya mo mane sika no de kɔ Ghana sɛ wo fa to account mu na run your account no na fabra ade a ɔmo nyɛ ne sɛ ɔmba explain your account no your friend bi your friend annotation ana annotated bank statement sika bia aba account no mu a yɛ kɛseɛ bia explain it what save watimi anya be 50,000 Ghana 20,000 maybe I will take it if I say be $1,000 which is now maybe about 12,000 Ghana cedis 13,000 14,000 Ghana cedis what count is get them 50,000 it will be to me a ticket but we pay 1,500 a month and then I will save 50,000 and was so call back na sɛ na yɛ a wo save ye bi all the 5 years na save mesraw so sa 5 years bank statement ni nyinaa fa ka na twerɛ letter na fa explain sɛ OPD nso no disika brɛ o sɛ fa to account na fa kyerɛ a ɛyɛ gift enti monye gift deed IOPD of number 123 OPD Street do hereby give a gift of £1,000 to my brother 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝗏 Samuel. Simple. A gift. So wuntimi draw gift deed ko online. Naka say UK gift deed. Mr. Roman ko American gift deed because there is difference. Na print it. Na man a gift no because we bet me am a gift. Na we be man no. I gift no. Or the account is savings account. Na nyame ya adom na the tuma watro letter and the explain say a gift or the gift date in so account ebi o car me ka se car ho hia almost aka se car ho hia but o car na che se we spending more enti ni nyina na we say we explain it wo yire eton niema wo shop a month no onya 3,000 cedis eye income emamo enti onfa the bank statement enka wo de ho na fa ni about tofa why say wie no ade a mepɛ sɛ woyɛ no sɛ wode saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ka ho no ade a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ ka ho no sɛ obi bia a woyɛ biara no yɛ list of documents because say na ɔmaka sɛ deɛ ɛma ɔmo ngye yɛn ndi ni ɔsɛ one nipa na ɔyɛ application no oni abusua anaa economic ties ɛwɔ Ghana na busuafo nyinaa egu UK. 2. Nipa na ɔse ɔba abɛsra no no amu daakye bi etwa mu no no ɔyɛ illegal migrant. Yes, yama no 2.5 years and but ɔno nso no ɔyɛ illegal migrant. Ɔno wɔde civil home office da enti wɔyɛ file so. Nsɛm a ɔka no ɛne nipa na ɔbɛsra no ɔmo nsɛm a ɔmo atwerɛtwerɛ no difference bebree wɔ mu. Ɛmmɔbra. Information ɔde aba no matraya sɛ mɛhwɛ sɛ yɛ genuine mintimi enrich nipa na wɔsɛ me rich no enti wo de adwuma mu letter aka ho a yɛ sure sɛ adwuma wura no ɔmfa ne mobile phone nka ho ɔno no obetimi a rich no ade a ɔka no ɛntɔ asumu wo sika nyinaa month wo gye 1,000 wo savings 50,000 ɛntɔ asumu ɛyɛ dɛ na wonya 50 wabra 1,000 cedis no a month no kra na nso onim sɛ wo yere a ɔno nso onya 3,000 cedis enti fa wo yere ne amaka ho mesrɛ mo ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no credibility ɔmo sɛ deɛ ɛbɛma ɔmo bo atɔ ɔmo yam a ɔmo begya wo sɛ bra no ɛne sɛ bibi a woka bia no ɛtɔ aso finally wo baabi a wo ba obɛda wo sika a wo ba obɛdi nyɛ sika wo de atɔ ticket ko baabi a wo ba obɛda no dodoɔ na ba ɔmo nuanom hɔ anaa ɔmo namfo enti wobɛhia tenancy agreement wobɛhia nipa no sɛ ɔbɛma wo letter nipa na wokɔ no hɔ no nso ɔde ne bank statement bɛka ho sɛ nipa na wokɔ no hɔ no oni bank account a ade na oni bank account sɛ ɔde ne tenancy agreement ama wo na ne din ni so a ade na ne din ni so nkrofo bebree titi nkrofo fi a ɔmo tenancy agreement nti no nso timi create problem why we nyina wie no the aka ne sɛ ɔbɛ present your application woyɛ saa for us no yɛhu sɛ almost 90% of applications are we ye or prepare or the genuine document or explain what the cover letter can no and you're successful. A bit me amawaba as a visitor. Mr. Rao. What is share form necessary about maybe 4 weeks? Ghana afford to do now more so maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. So wouldn't him do 1 week and not 2 weeks, amen kasa. Because or share almost law now. Almost a sasumesi we. Dachi bi a yama no ba no ka so obedi busome na mo di busome miensa enti wo no wonya no krafo ti wo sa ba biom se ye ma wo visa ye mfa ma wo ye de ma wo na wo bedu ha na omuhu a o magye afrum se OPD we ana enne me person me
ma lo in fact metiu din na me a nti me bisa mo se nti we invite obi aba ekruwe mu a enye that easy sa ana to you no ebia who say oh pass it through and say who provide good evidence here easy sir because the work can na ade ba ko kra mix here just say the why na bugo so ana wadawroma
okay enti OPD the yehuni now nkrofo bebree omom prepare bebree I'll say about 90% of omo visa application omom prepare or the connection man. Connection man, the name connection man, and our agent. And there, the first concern, Sika.
Sika, yeah, of course, yeah.
Or GFU himself. Don't worry, remember bank statement. Or koye fake one at Swama. Don't worry, remember our Jumam letter. Or case be a wire the cocoa to cry. Cratching or your Juman Casa. Or the vis I didn't come out with someone. Or no Juma or no, na papa na kofa Juma for letter. Almost friend Juma almost so many mono.
Oh.
Make ya the cocotte. Enti for no easy. Because Adana say me invite me mommy, me papa, me nua, madam for ya de ma omo. Na then na wo me ho a e wo so omo ya de ma omo. The difference is say 1 me aware, 2 me prepare because me ma obi invitation my refusal that 50 time me ba wow me nua bia me pese oba ha me ma me papa madam for even ene madam for emma so omo oba ha me ma omo invitation me fa bank statement ponka ya de ma omo letter keka match wrong ya de ma omo adentia because minim de omo hwehwe enti me de ma omo ana ono nso no bia wabahada ana o ma hada ana ya prepare no say okay inshira person oba inshira we school or Canada person oba holiday oba obedi 1 month oba odem betina inshira ya hwania inshira ya doctor biba doctor ebi or retirement but ono woni sika odi see na wabono kama ne amount of 5-year multiple visa, 10-year multiple visa. Adena me ya a year juma, now we are year juma. Difference be any. Ube for the same situation. I will be never power sika or no university or Ghana as a back or planning a refusal. A year preparation. And I pe yama medodo, ye pe connection. O call your mammy a lawyer. Call lawyer no nyama, but o call connection man. Ono no wa wi ata so na America no Ghana se see I do Friday bi o year bi e call so manya. O person call high 4x4 5,000 Ghana cedis. So do ho abewo or the bejo 20,000 Ghana cedis here. The way actually bia no he doesn't care. The OPD are very easy, but it needs a lot of preparation. Na mumu men kan okre. Enye obia no betimi aba ha. Sebe wo no wa hye wi wo Ghana unya adwuma bia uni busua bia uni ba uni yiri uni kun uni hwe sebe watare show kra nya homka was me person me ko UK ukọ social media nkrofo bebre lawyer I want to come to UK how can you help me now we obi a we sa connection man beju sika di me say nya de abeka
yeah because they
because
want to
you want to come to UK obey den I don't need the nkrofo nhyɛ so you must have a reason to come what mean gas me person me ko UK who call holiday yes you call holiday or other places are okay say why you adwuma obi wo wa no your hairdresser or boy adwuma year why your profit e dey fan say 60,000 Ghana opese ono so be fa obe chile e bi obe hwem bags yi ne niema ma to weeks ni niema opese ono so to bi diko but at least no e won passport mu say wakọ abuchire da opese wo yes prepare men sorry preko say na me kọ abuchire o bank statement hwi nim o say me kọ o adwuma a wo ye payslip kra anya hwe wa wo ye wadwuma enso wuntua wo hoka how say wo be kire say o income eno ana ye ka say wo prepare yi na wo gather wo documents ni yi na wo wa wo wadwuma wo tua wo ho tua wo ho ye wo ye adwuma ye tua ye ho enti maybe a wo sika good for business no anya ho na wudi wo pay nti wo tua wo ho so wo di pay slips cry I was still wo tua wo ho ti opd we na me be say question bi wo ha e be answer
fantastic. Not just say asma Uncle Ben can just say the keyword in your prepared and on the keyword the year can no over to me I because one to me and two and maybe I won't prepared now I don't know what don't hook to us anymore and see the keyword in a prepared answer with two and I'm more a be out from we some to me about question what if you BBI basa or dream like what we say we them in tears Mr. Studio line is here. Wait me after now. I had what to so now so to me actually what doing 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484 now also what they were doing chira area about the pay my kwa so now I'm in fact my first caller now you know fa nkoma chichiro emfa ansha say hello good morning.
Hello good morning.
Our what to say
fine madam
nyame adom nchia na nje so ne ya mede nyankopon ya madom Uncle Ben ewa man so ay krado pacho me yintie we wada we ma
Uncle Ben pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Francisca no orika say but then beside there you need no Ghana but my question for who Uncle Ben there okoko apply for say obepahade abehwe demba na omo refusal no na ono akacha so na me no newa ha na okoy because ne nkacha sem no e basa but one kwa the time home office focus on control overstay nti me question ne there is it because he overstayed the nti na omu fitting do pedo bahana na sekisa so opeso baha what must he do
opera obansra another opera obetna ade
the obansra keke say what ya no deputy minister for Churash
okay obi a wa baha one court da order okon wa overstay today ma me kan ya o kire de woman na obabioma onko na emum owo ma wa ha wo human rights and obetuma use human rights no explain ma oba ya nti no that pen bia oba ya wankon or explain it and then so nyame adom wa ma na dwuma kese a oye na chere oba odo okọ to ono odo explain no throw letter no wo di edwuma letter nso ka ho na ne mma na wa ha no nso wo throw letter na won fa ni nyina nka ho na onye sure that or a very strong letter
okay I think so I drop it oh okay I think say obeti yeah obeti na Also with me with me the question and also with me first studio line no na also the aba 020-822-60-484-020-822-60-484 WhatsApp line 0777-1950-989 and also to me at the aba and pay any BWF solicitors nke ben na yɛne nhwehwɛ nkɔmmɔ na we bibi ensam so ɛde akyerɛ na bibi aso etumi akama wobɛtum so do message ɛde aba na yɛakenkan ɛno nso ɛde ama na obi de message bi aba wɔ WhatsApp hɔ na ma menhwɛ ɛma no yo okay no me huni wan fani din so amba okay, so still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Yeah, memfa caller we na fe no. Yan to so me ba na ma be read message me e dey amo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Nyame adu na ho so e.
Nyame adu mo mpa bo.
Yeah, fantastic. Wa dawro ma me ntie we.
Uncle Ben, Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, me did say ho ye pa, uncle.
Good morning.
The dog bag yes. Uncle me Pacho, me yire you ni na me pre settlement ni bi. Na me ma Ghana ba ko 20 ba ko 17. Me pese omo ebetena krom ha. Me pese omo eba besra me. Na omo sa ko back. Na me ye basic this na ma omo a. E wo se me de me yire no ebi eto so ana me that.
Well, I was explaining our circumstance, and almost I was explaining our circumstance. Our circumstance includes both social and family. And yes, I was the details. Why?
If I show you, but that's it.
Okay, fantastic. We're trying to short. We're trying to. Okay, I'll say good morning. Good morning, OPD and Uncle Ben. I'll say my children was 11 years before I got my ILR. Can I apply for British passport for him without register? Thank you. Uncle Ben, the message in the Wadauruma, Sawotia. Na okay. I say good morning, OPD and Uncle Ben. I say my children was 11 years before I got my ILR. Can I apply for British passport for him without registration? Yeah. Registration him at town or can I don't know. So what's your CSR?
Time I won't call not only indefinite. In Colano, you're British. To person who British, I was register on fill a form. It has over fill a form T and over fill a form MN1. Now they are registered on. Yeah.
Okay. Now me back my main fakoro yam akọ next message so see OPD ma send a message last week one can the one can eduabo to so yeah good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me sure so with the mom dia. Obi say me reading message obom dia. Mpacha wadawo ma what to say?
Good morning. Good morning penny for me 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆.
Yeah, Joe so bla penny na won so.
Uncle Padmo.
Wadawo ma me yenti we.
Good morning Uncle Ben. Ma enjoy the program in Chamadi but me say Uncle Ben I care about marriage certificate. Obi marriage certificate from Ghana about 2004. But let me be say me then between cross check to say information here okay and that's correct.
Well, the first thing is for marriage certificate echo Ghana. Na enko baby omo issue one no bulletin to so. 2. If you are enko court or bulletin to so. If you are ebeko Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. So ankrofo we nyina abo a eba ha or the beko Ghana Commission no mabo. Ti so bia so saa de nimu no anka say fake. Wo awo ya ma o de wo be de hu say fake. Enti na at least you are authenticating by court, by registry, by foreign affairs, and also by Ghana High Commission. Why?
And it's a traditional marriage and so near me any traditional marriage, you know.
Nina official document, yes. And no crown so the and no the omota pa and Timanenko. Why?
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Thank you. And also Nidiano. Yeah, Nyamisho, we're trying to short we're trying to. Okay, my main message I'll say OPD last week he didn't read my message. And okay, so my main farmer and I'll say good morning, Uncle Ben and OPD. I'll say this is my question. I have indefinite leave to remain and I'm now full-time student at university. So what I'll say so I'm not able to work. Can I bring my wife? If yes, what will be the requirement, please? Uncle Ben, Wadaworma.
OPD under Appendix FM, now Opesa what the Ukuana Yereba, I will say meet maintenance requirement. I 29,000. Into one meet here. Now we need exemption, this would be a unfortunately.
Okay. I'm not saying again. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Wadaworma, what me had done on Mukiti Bula and a breaky Wadaworma.
I don't think
Mo Unyamiadu and we ask and
if I told me show.
You so?
You may patrol me a quick one now. Now, me or indefinite leave, as you say, no, my British passport. Now, patrol say, me Ghana. It's straightforward to meet me issue Ghanaian passport now, be anymore. Straight now, me bounce one the British passport no swaba.
Yeah, patrol, yes. At a session, all by UK, I would passport by him. Sana, all Ghana, I'll bet me do Ghana passport. I call him. Why?
None about a British penal, so not there, no, say me back.
All by all the two in a bachelor.
No.
So all back up. Call the Ghana chair, him for UK. Enti, Omejo British, the home. Airline, no dear, Omejo British, they are no mascan. Who could do immigration, Omejo Ghana, because all the British don't come more, visit him. And I would Ghana, the announce more. Bibi any more chairs and more crime out by UK. And 22 no mama.
Okay.
No, I saw what are two issues.
Okay.
Yeah. In the answer.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's a partner. Wadaworma. Yeah, message we so firm. Okay. Also, good morning, OPD. Please, this is my question. Please, I'll say I am on skilled work. I'll say I'm skilled worker visa, and my dependent just informed me that she want to go to Ghana and get married. She want us to get with a divorce in Ghana, but in the book of Home Office, she will still remain my dependent. I want Uncle Ben to advise me. They're tossing. The trust me share and tears so bet me baby ma Uncle Ben the okay but what's your say and I mean sense to be ma
on be divorce for Ghana but on can Home Office na che say o ma to a o ma ware na so sa I'm say sa no and this are there on some review near obi so be said that's authentication of the marriage certificate does attested marriage and divorce certificate at the Ghana High Commission prove authenticity? Yes, it does. Because Ghana High Commission, almost attested to be beer without so much check or Accra. They always do. Almost line on the check. To the BB come almost check with the Nipano issue, you know. And then they also confirm say genuine. Why? And yes.
Okay. Until I know na Uncle Ben dear man no. What I move to me answer after 020 822 60484 020 822 60484 WhatsApp line 0777 1950 989 and so odi and also area ba and then my family space number many me yeah. Okay. Uncle Ben said message in be so about how na wa sha me na
I am I am on a skilled worker visa, which my company has been revoked, but my right to stay is still intact, which will end in June 2027. Can I give invitation to someone to visit UK? Or hene, so when him say ye try or company no visa more to so na pe bibi or certain I will be me invite you be amanaba. Once I work valid visa no, or be a person visit you be a bit me. But my advice is say, men now on Casa EBU 2027 to 1 year to sooner pay BB. Why? But I could say, OPD, my name is 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗆. I have indefinite stay to remain. I have a daughter, 1.5 years. Can I do British passport for her? So, we want to know indefinite. Yes, we beat me. No, we need indefinite. I was register Akolana as a British citizen. Daniel Opon, hi uncle, good morning sir. Is there any update with new date of English requirement for indefinite leave to remain? No, not indefinite, but for skilled workers. And also, is it possible for you to submit your application early means 2 months before your expired date and under parent? Yes, submit your applications in early because sometimes system error into untimi nya share code so application or submitting late na ekuwu and yes 2 months you can. Yes, there's nothing lobby any was with me. Why? Okay
na the mean so me wa ha no yeah and there be you many. I say hi, good morning OPD and Uncle Ben. My mom has recently married an EU citizen. I am 27 years. I want to apply for family visa with my stepdad, who is from Belgium. Okay, who is from Belgium? Can I use my family visa with Belgium to apply for EU pre-settlement scheme? And Ben, but they're making what you say. Many yenti.
I want your glasses. I know. They all kind of say so on a different visa. Ne aware EU ni so switch. Yes, we beat me a switch. So we over 21 which is only and almost we under 21 and one is our application. Name we our application maybe so I didn't know we any late. I was our letter. Now we explain the entire way application late. Now mama valid application.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Now, on what to say?
Nyamiadumona Pacho Muso.
I don't know those. What I will mark you.
Okay. Pacho, me send a question or WhatsApp. No, and I'm busase. More skilled worker visa. So now.
Okay.
Me dependent. No. Aim for me and say officer kwe our pa Ghana.
Our papa, okay.
Our Ghana. If you obey traditional na omako sign no court. Na because me ne ba me our no court no. Na opese me de me Ghana card any ade man obey ye divorce no Ghana. But in the books of Home Office media, ye inform me home. Still now obey me so as me dependent. In your car, no, I'm say the way I see immigration seminar, no. They say me busank Ben say advice be a whole ni be a way forward be a what to make a request.
First of all, we a social media. The idea can be a 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝘆 offer a lawyer, say lawyer, me name a person trying to touch the Home Officer. Offers a lawyer because you and a munkucha negu internet so virtual question we be why?
Okay.
Okay, what that will man in our office why now what that will man to be
okay.
Why? Okay. Right, so live on Rainbow 92.4 FM meeting adding an to Jegu OPD second BWF solicitors you know mo gusu @𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗃 come on now. Time check 11 minutes past 10 and you go so I didn't come to Eddie blow now. I mean quite much for next caller na you know you fan to us hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Pacha, what is it?
Pacho yami adumo na muswe.
Adem ni dos. Wadawo man keben etil yanko.
Ben pacho bibia boko.
Adumo ohene. Now swear.
Pacho yami adam.
Good.
Me ye application ma Mr. Sabakuna. Eye bebra pain eye or British Army WO1. Now first refusal no more can say you realize from the decision say we a mistake from the case officer instead of on one some managing a personal business, so you rely on also accept the sponsorship. Now more decision about the first one no more say o state you we say the annual income from the business 3,000 Ghana cedis, which was wrong. You made it as 30,000. So you who say yes, I'm mistake. A new application. Until later on also more decision and modify and say they've realized the business no register and just a year ago and running such a business with a minimum balance of like £14,000, it doesn't look genuine. And also for more evidence, you try to attach some of receipt, in Yamana or Tony business not running the receipt, we attach some of it. They also made a statement that because the receipt is a handwritten, so they don't have any independent means of verifying that. So Mr. Semi who said we've searched 2 reasons so they rejected visa. Is there any other option? But most stating when we say you can also go for administrative review or whatsoever. So I don't know whether if there is another option.
Well, reasons are where we dear mameno and shouldn't toss them. And normally, say client, ye be say normal the decisions are about. Any client in the back as opa, ye the back court amount. Yes, won't be your appeal, but ubetimedia court judicial review. To judicial review near a bit more expensive. To say client in the penny up, ye be a friend of pre-action protocol. Near the actual mudientia, I don't know, and you're correct. You are now fee your general. So Oman would withdraw near the court. Why?
Okay, Mpacha, I'll get back to you later on that.
No problem.
Okay. Nti na wafre office na woni anke ben so atwem komo. Ma me infa message won twem na ewi an yekọ ye nua ba pamela so na afi no yemfa honso edemfa. Bro say hello, good morning OPD. Yeah, good morning OPD. This is my question. I say I had my indefinite leave to remain before having my son in Ghana. He was born in Ghana. Can I apply for a British citizen for him, please? Anke Ben wadawroma ono so ne die no.
I say no indefinite. And I want about Ghana.
Yes.
There be say indefinite. About Ghana. Or say no apply now or the Baha. Until me man of visa, until me apply for British citizen. Omo Ghana, omo my British, omo British citizens.
Okay. Na baby edu no ye behwe na ye nua ba Pamela de Porto Kasa no. Anke Ben pacho ho na ye fa. Okay, no for Porto Kasa no family na afi no. Ye fa de akan so meeting Edina na to jego the second higher Rainbow 92.4 FM. Afi yanko na yanko tie ye nua ba Pamela. Yeba.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Usu. Good morning to our lovely viewers. Today, we talked about UK visit visas and how to avoid refusal for a lack of genuine intention to visit. So, to begin with, a lot of people make visit visa applications to come to the UK, but they are refused because of avoidable mistakes. So if you want to make a visit visa application to the UK, the most important thing you need to do is to prepare. You have to prepare before you make your visit visa application. So when you want to submit such an application, the Home Office will look at whether you are a genuine visitor. So that's whether you will leave after your visit to the UK. So some of the things they look at are your previous travel history or your previous immigration history. So some of the things they will look at when it comes to that is whether you've traveled before, whether you have abused a country's visa before. So, for example, you've traveled to a different country and you have overstayed, if it's UK or any other country, whether you've traveled and you overstayed in that country, whether you abused the rules they gave you on your visa for the other country. So they'll also look at your financial background, your social and economic background, your family background. So basically, your personal circumstances. What they will use your personal circumstances to do is they would see if you have strong ties into your country. So which means that after your visit to the UK, you will leave because you have ties to your country. So some of the things they look at is whether you are working in your country, whether maybe you have a spouse or children in your country, whether you are a student or you are going to school in your country, whether you attend church, whether you have land in your country, all of those things, they use it to judge whether you have strong ties back to your country. So please, if you have a spouse, you have to prove your relationship. So you can use your marriage certificate to prove that you do have a spouse. You can also use the birth certificate of your children to prove that you have children back in your country. If you're a student, you can get a school letter. If you have land in your country, you can get the land title certificate from the government. You can also submit your bank statement or your Momo statement with your application. And it is important that you annotate such a statement to explain every huge transaction in your statement. So if you are having like very huge deposits or very huge withdrawals, explain what the money was used for, explain how you came to get that money. If you are self-employed and you are paying yourself, please make sure you have separate bank accounts or bank statements which show your personal account and then your business account. Don't just add everything together. And then you also have to prove your relationship with the person you are coming to visit. So if you intend on visiting maybe your child in the UK, you should prove that this person is your child. So you can prove that with maybe your child's birth certificate. You can also prove it with maybe WhatsApp statements. If your child gives you money, you can use your money transfer receipts or your Momo statement to prove that we are having this relationship. This is a relationship between me and the person I would like to visit. You can also write a letter to explain the reason you want to visit the UK, explain your relationship with the person you are coming to visit in the UK, explain your ties back in your country, that's Ghana, and explain why you know that you would leave the UK after your visit to the UK. So if you are married and maybe your spouse is also working, your spouse in Ghana is working, you can add your spouse's bank statement as well to your application. Um, you also have to prove that you have accommodation and maintenance in the UK. So you are not just coming to the UK and you don't have anywhere to go. You will be having your own accommodation and then maintenance. So you'd have to provide the tenancy agreement for whoever you are coming to visit and that person's bank statement as well to show that you will not be a burden to the UK government when you come. If you have all these documents, then you can present your case. So you can then submit your visit visa application. And more often than not, when you've made proper preparation and you've gathered all these documents and all this evidence, when you make your application will be successful because you have proven that you have a genuine intention to visit and that you would leave at the end of your visit to the UK. And also, if you know you are not going to come to the UK for about, let's say, a week or 2 weeks, when you are making the application, please do not state that you are coming for just a week or 2 weeks because this could go against you as well. So I hope this helps all of us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay. Yeah, so Pamela Diana or the Brianity. Yeah, Pamela see or Yena Malco coffee beyond them, let us say. I hear canon. And see, yeah, you know about Pamela or the Potter Castle and the Bay, and see, you know, Mamunti Pin, no more so Mudiano. And see, I'll be back to studio. Na, Yene, Uncle Ben, I baby, sorry, so now, afi next program I be take over na BBM so meeting Edina na to jegu OPD the second nana to jegu OPD the second. Eti young crank Ben na yenti yenya yenji last submission happy ni fan sorry so na next program be take over. Thank Ben me fana we say na fini fan sorry so that one.
Your OPD said I'm no your friend BWF solicitors. If you are OPD bachelor baby I want your numbers. But then your focus I have visitors visa because for most people on Wahano busuafo na mo mpɛ me ba betin ho mpɛ sɛ besra mo no moko na de me de kan ya me de di kan ne sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo ba ha on a visitor ayɛ preparation or sɛ wo starting term na wo boaboa wo ho ɛte sɛ bibia yɛ bia na ahoboa ayɛ key ti wo boaboa ho a nneɛma ɛwɔ sɛ wo hyɛ no nso ne sɛ bibia wo de kɔ bia no yɛ sure sɛ ɛyɛ aban mu a ɛyɛ genuine ɛyɛ bank mu a ɛyɛ genuine ɛyɛ wo awadwuma a ɛyɛ genuine memfa one account a business and a personal account nko schedule business account ma nya odia wo ye wa wadwuma me situa wo ho menka se ye pay slip ba me situa wo ho ti se wo sika no e bi egu momo account kran so a bi fa bi tua wo ho na afa gu account dade a wo ba be ye no ehu hia se wo betwere ho krata de nti a wo ba UK wa ho na wo ba ehe na wo betina adan no wato ana rent. How many bedrooms na wo nkrofo ahe na to wo odwuma be na oye woni ne di nkomo oye wunua oye wo ba oye wo busuani oye wadamfo exhibit ni nyina. The other one am de be ka on se mesra mo mo nkoto mo niam ngu agent so se me de abra o yema me agent no no usika na opa di obai koka koye bibi ama yes dodo no ya eye yi babi mu nso ya omo de fake niam afam na no ya ban for 10 years echi obetra na unya asetena kra na echi ombetimi agye afum nsem enti ye careful the church one say visitors visa for ye nyina say ye na ye a ada na wo ya enye yi the difference ne say ye tembra na say ama ye ya ye to ye bo ne ye saa nso na wo so pesa wo ya tembra na say na to bo na ye menkofa bibia enye entwa na nipa no nso a ɔma waba no sɛ bibi wɔ n'akyi a ɛnyɛ a siesie ne yie ansa na wɔde akɔto bedwam sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn kɔ sesa na wɔn kɔhwɛ n'akyi a wɔn nka sɛ nipa yi kora na ɔyɛ illegal eti wokora so ba bɛyɛ illegal na ɛno nso akɔyɛ bibi a etwa yam wei ana yɛde maa mo yɛ hope sɛ yɛbɛyɛ video on some of these topics abra mo ti mo pɛ sɛ mo hwɛ yɛ videos na mo kɔ YouTube ɛwɔ hɔ. Moko BWF Solicitors, your website www.bwfsolicitors.com. Your videos ni nyina egu ho. Facebook die DM se bosome a omu delete. YouTube ewo ho. BWF Solicitors, your website www.bwfsolicitors.com. Ni nyina egu ho. Ti enenso video na ye beye no. Ye ya ma omo beye British nationality. Ye de ba anonso ye be sha ma mo nyina. Ye damase.
Okay, na so damasi na so that by kind no be videos in aba na mo so metumi ni binti unya video bia mesero manya pensem nkuminya na wa share dia mo bi so no so hia mmoa na ono so etumi afa so enya ne ho na bibia so etumi aka nti ya so akọ na ya so akọ na te se BWF solicitors ni no mo twetwe nkomo nti anope ye beja ankben mo kwan na yes na omomo din kan akọ na afi ya back to studio no make house nyame adoma Saturday no yes omoba so ebe chekere mramu nti mesrew na ene wo mix ya na wa hwe omonim Saturday so no so onya won so de ewo ho no bia so timi akoso kama nti ya ne omo bedin kan tank ben afra ya be kasa back door na afi no ye hu de ekọ nti ya kramo ya yembe back to studio na afi no ya meto aso nti one thing ka Facebook bi ma ya no edukra na yembe back to studio.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.